Hello, we are Catherine da Silva and Julie Milano, and we are going to talk about the Millau Bridge in France. Millau Bridge is located in southeastern France between the Causse du Lazare and Causse Roche and crossing the above the Tarn River Valley. Opening on December 14, 2004 after 36 months of construction. Is the world's tallest bridge structure reach the maximum height of 343 meters and a length of 2,460 meters. The purpose of the bridge is to reduce the traffic congestion and shortening in more than 100 kilometers the road connecting Paris to the Mediterranean. In turn, avoid the difficult stretch of the Tarn and the journey of Millau, famous for its summer traffic jams. During the preliminary study, consider 4 actions. 1. Bypass Millau to the east, which would require 2 major bridges over the Tarn and Derby. 2. Bypass Millau to the west, covering a total of 12 kilometers, which would require the construction of 4 bridges. 3. Follow the path of the National Route 9, which would provide good access to the technically difficult Millau, but could also pass through the population. 4. Through the valley in the middle. This 4 action was chosen by the government on June 28, 1989. In turn, considered 2 different possibilities, the high resolution and low resolution, which would involve building of bricks of 200 meters to cross the Tarn, followed by a viaduct of 2,300 meters extended with a side tunnel larger. After lengthy feasibility studies, the low solution was abandoned because of its higher cost, environmental impact, and because the distance for drivers is higher. The type of bridge is multi-braced. Only its structure depends mostly of beams, or as its name implies, of braces. The main viaduct consists of 8 steel deck sections which are based on 7 concrete pillars. The road 36,000 with tons and stretch over 2,460 meters. Its width behind 32 meters and a thickness of 4.3 meters. The 6 interior sections of the viaduct has 342 meters, while the 2-meter extreme measures 204 meters. The highway has a slight slope of 3% down from north to south, and curves in flat section which has a radius of 20 kilometers. The latter was intended to give better visibility to motorists. It has 3 traffic lanes in each direction. The materials used in the construction are steel boards, 7 times the Eiffel Tower, concrete abutment and piles, and surface of concrete piles, based on the foundation sockets. The conceptual and structural design of the bridge is original work of the Frenchman Michael Millau, while the architect responsible for the aesthetic and formal aspect of the work belonged to the British firm Foster and Partners, led by Lord Norman Foster, along which the above was the Dutch engineering firm Arcadis, responsible for the technical design of the viaduct. The first construction was build the pylons that would support the bridge. The second was build the board at the ends. By the technique of pushing or build the cross section. The push technique consists in move plates from the ends of the board to put in place. One pushed the board from both sides and reached the junction in solidarity both halves and placed a stiffening towers. The advantage respect environment are the
a tracing respect the most important natural size. Declining volumes of materials to be used on the site above and are conquered. Fewer machines, fewer trucks have reduced the inconvenience to the population involved in trafficking itself to work. Resistance expect to meet the highest standards of durability and to resist seismic and weather conditions more extreme. Safety and comfort. The viaduct is equipped with safety barriers, impact-resistant truck, windproof transparent screen 3 meters in height, means of emergency shutdown and lighting system that ensure comfort and traffic safety for users. In case of breakdown or accident, emergency telephone points are installed every 400 meters. Unless serious accident or exceptional wind speeds, the viaduct is open 24 hours a day. The disadvantages are the height of cost of the work was the need to implement a toll in order to obtain funding for its construction. In general, the Millau Bridge is much more than just a piece of highway used by travelers. Rushed. Many of them take the time to observe from the recreation area from the top of the toll on the outskirts of Millau.